Hey guys, here we have another Stealth. This one in antique brass. It's kind of dark in here, so I think for the demonstration I'll have the light on. But we will start with demo mode. Let's see if I can do this one first try. Be interesting to see if it actually does the demo in reverse or forward. Let's see if maybe I do it from this side. A little bit less glare. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay, yeah, so that's how they do it. If you start the demo mode in reverse, then the fan does it in reverse. If you do it in forward, it does it in forward. Interesting. You know, that makes sense though, so then you can actually see it in reverse as well. Ooh, this one's good. It'll actually wind up a bit. Can you close the door? Yeah. Thanks. Let's see how long it takes. Let's see how close it gets to stopping. About the same as the other Stealth. All right. Control is very far away, so now I'm going to put it to low now.
Alex, where's the Yakko? Oh, there he is.
If you guys are gonna be in here though, you gotta be quiet, okay? All right.
Alex, I'm always quiet.
Well, yeah, you are. Sorry, but him not so much. Okay, now let's go to speed 2. Sorry, I literally have to walk all the way across the room for it to be a good view for you because the control is so far away.
Oh my god. Be quiet.
All right, let's go back. I'll definitely be getting my steps in today by doing this fan's demo. Man, very interesting. Okay. Speed 4. This fan seems to have gotten the most use, I think. Because it is very quiet, unlike some of the others. So that's interesting. Oh. Who's there? Oh. Oh, okay. You know, like, before I said that I wasn't really a big fan of the Stealth, this finish I like. I like this finish quite a bit. Not a fan of the brushed nickel, though, or the white. I think this is speed 6. Yeah, this is speed 6. You feel a breeze? You feel a breeze?
Actually, I do.
Yeah, it has a good breeze.
I feel a little bit.
Yeah,
don't feel the breeze.
It's a little breeze, but this one doesn't have a super big breeze, unfortunately.
Well, one of the fast ones has one.
Yeah, I'm gonna reverse it because that's where we found it. But we'll deal with that when this stops. We can do. Yeah.
Be quiet.
Stop kicking around in the bed, Rita. Surprised I can hold you.
What are you gonna say?
I don't know. There's not much to say about this one. I mean, it does a decent job. Looks all right. It's fun that it's IntelliTouch, though. I don't think I'm probably the first one to ever do demo mode on any of these fans.
Are you gonna be an engineer?
Yes.
Probably, they could be an engineer one day. Probably you could say, you could be an engineer one day.
Yeah. We could all be engineers one day. You could too. Who knows? You could make the next stealth. This is such a big fan. This is like the only room where it's like appropriately sized, other than like maybe the master bedroom would be a good size for a fan like this. But the other bedrooms, it's just, they're really small. Like a Four Seasons would probably be perfect. Or heck, even a Lady Delta. Lady Delta probably would have been better, but.
You could do this one at my house. We got some.
I did those ones already. It's too bad that he broke one of them though.
Oh yeah, and then I remembered it. So I put my nail in and I broke it in there.
You put the coin in there.
Oh.
Because you thought it would give you a prize.
No,
Yeah, no.
I was trying to taste the invention.
Yeah, okay. Alright guys, thank you for watching this. Remember, stay cool.